What's up, guys? How are you doing, guys? Hopefully, you're in good health. Okay. So today, our topic, which is related our HSSD function and how the installation of our HSSD. So HSSD is the important things as part of our instrument control. So this is how it works. So we will start the installations, how the install of our HSD. This is as per actual installation. All right, shall we start? So this is the example of our HSD. So what is the meaning of the HSD? That is high sensitivity smoke detection detector. Okay, so this is the uh, power supply enclosure, and you can see this is our installation. This is our pipe. That is our pipe tubing that's connected going to any other locations. Okay, so this connections is connected to different compartment or equipment, neither panel. Okay, and we have also cables here. That is how the and this is the pipe going running towards to the bottom and go straight connections, and we're in our equipment installation. So that's the time we are installing there, and we have to prepare layout as well, so to understand and where is that installations coming from, and also what is the elevations requirement. That's part of the engineering to decide and part of the philosophy. All right, it's part of the fire and gas system. So this is how the installation from the top. They have also connected from the top, and they have also connections from the bottom. Okay, and see, this is our nozzle. This is part of our installation of the equipment. This is coming from the bottom. They run this pipe and tube, and this is our nozzle. So another here, this is our equipment, which is inside of the equipment. This we have the HSD detections. Okay, so they're installing for the non-process protection. This is for non-process protection, guys. And you can see here, this is our switch gear from here. We have installing from here, from the bottom. You can see also from the bottom, that's coming from the bottom, that's connected here, and it's running from here. This is our sampling tube, and this is our nozzle. So using of this HSD, that's the most important thing of the SSD is to use for the electrical and mechanical and control equipment. So basically, that's for the hubbing for equipment. There's no having hydrocarbon that's providing for the protections, and we are using for the special equipment. Uh, why we are installing this? Where we are installing this our HSSD. So we are installing this for a special equipment like electrical panel, emergency power supply, and also communication equipment, and also of our control system cabinets, which is including all of this. Like you are inside of the LER, you are inside of the electrical switchgear room that you can see here. You can found this our HSD panel or cabinet or JB as what we call this. So the characteristic of this our HSD, guys, that is there's a booting patterns, which is there's an output and we have a diagnostic. So in order to have a boating system that's part during the FAT, and we can do also during the commissioning. So how to initiate and suppressions in this nozzle, this one. So we initiated this, and then we can see in our control uh, monitor, and then if this is working, action, alert, and fire 1 and fire 2. So we need to check based on this boating system. All right. So this is a sort of the example and informations and guide what is the HCSD. And basically, if you are the instrument controls, you can see this in your areas during the construction. So quality, construction, pre-commissioning, commissioning. So you should know this thing. Even electrical, you must know this one also. What is HCSD? Okay, because some of my colleagues, friends, they don't know what is SSD as well. So it's better you have an idea what is SSD. All right, and thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Continue watching, guys, and have a nice day.